Hey, I'm Alex, and this is a pineapple rum sour, and I'll show you how to make it. For this pineapple rum sour, you're gonna need rum. I'm going with this 1808 Barely Legal by a legal tender from Dongra, Western Australia. You'll need some egg white. You'll need some lime, simple syrup. This is a 1-to-1 ratio, and pineapple. This is basically 2 pineapple rings chopped up. So I'm going to pour the pineapple in, then 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of rum, I'm going to muddle the pineapple. Mush it up a bit, make sure we get all of that pineapple-y excitement out. Next, we're going to separate out the egg white. And add the egg white. For this, I've seen people say either do a wet shake and then a dry shake, or do a dry shake and then a wet shake. I'm undecided. I'm going to go with a wet and then a dry. So 2 ginormous ice cubes for that one. And let's shake. So I'm going to single strain that and then give it a dry shake afterwards. Now this is the dry shake. Double strain this to catch all those chunky chunks over a big ice cube in a cup. So let's give it a taste. Got a very nice color. It's kind of green yellow. Funny that from the lime and the pineapple there. This foam is intense. It's really staying together. It reminds me of marshmallow. That's pretty good. You can definitely taste the pineapple, and it doesn't taste super eggy or anything like that. I've never had a sour with egg, so I was a bit interested in how that was going to turn out, but this is actually quite nice. The rum's in there, but it's not particularly loud. This is incredibly easy to drink. So there you go. That is a pineapple rum sour. If you like that, chuck us a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.